What's going on, guys? It's Dennis with GutterVac, another multifamily project for you here today. We have 34 units here. We are going to use the Hyperlight vacuum pull, a lot of liquid sludge. That's going to work great for that. Got an example of a gutter completely full of water here, right up to the top. In this situation, what I'd recommend first is opening up the downpipe, let some of that water drain up, and then we'll use the vacuum. Pipe is right here. One little piece of moss sitting right onto that drain, completely clogged that up. Right now, while that's draining, we'll go over here, we'll get ready to start vacuuming. We can vacuum up that water with the debris. Just gonna have to empty the vacuum a couple times here. You can see the water levels already dropping. Vacuum, a couple seconds. See the water levels drop quite a bit already. So we've got about 15 feet over here. If I don't even want to get on the roof, what I can do, I'm going to move my ladder over. And I can send my vacuum hose all the way down there. I'm going to do these 15 feet really quickly. I'm going to do it without the nozzle first. I'm going to send it in here, just like that. Okay, I'm going to pull it back, debris out here. And then my final pass to get the very last bit of water and sand. I'm going to put the nozzle back on. And then I'm going to send it down the gutter one more time. All in one. If I had a length of gutter this way, I could go both directions. 40-foot hose, so I can go 30-40 feet.